Hello students, let's do some more questions on triangles. In triangle ABC, angle CAB equals to 90 degree. Say this is triangle ABC. Angle CAB, this is angle A. Angle CAB is 90 degree. Now, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AC is 75 centimeters. AB is 1 meter and BC is 1.25 meters. We have to find AD. Clear? Now, bachche, in this triangle, AD is perpendicular to BC, hypotenuse. Now we have three triangles. This is triangle 1, ABD. We have another triangle ADC and the whole triangle ABC. These three triangles are similar to each other. Triangle 1 is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle 2 is also similar to triangle ABC. And 1 and 2 are also similar to triangle ABC. Now, how can we write it? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle 1. How can we name this triangle ABD? ABC is similar to which angle is common in these two triangles ABC and this triangle 1? Angle B is common in both triangles. Write B at the place of B. Now, in triangle ABC, angle A is 90. Here, angle B is 90. In place of A, we will write D. And we have D, B both. What is left? A. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DDA. Next. Triangle ABC is also similar to triangle second one. How will we name this triangle? Which angle is common in second triangle and the whole triangle? Angle C is common. Write C in place of C. Now, in the whole triangle, angle A is 90. Here we have angle D 90, bilinear pair. So, in place of DA, we will write D. C is done, D is done. What is left? A. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC and triangle DBA is also similar to triangle DAC. Clear? Now, which two triangles we have to take to get the value of AD? This is AD. We have AC, AB and BC. Three things are given. Let's take triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA. Now, if two triangles are similar, sides are proportionate. AB upon DB equals to AC upon DA equals to BC upon BA. Now, we have AC, AB and BC. We have to find AD. Where is AD? We have DA. We will take this one and AB. We can take this one also. We have BD. No, we don't have. Let's take these two. We have AC upon DA equals to BC upon BA. AC is 75 centimeter by DA or AD. We have to find AD. Let's write AD. BC is 1.25 meter. We have taken AC in centimeters. Let's change it in centimeters, 125 centimeters. Upon, we have BC upon BA. What is BA? BA or AB 1 meter. In place of 1 meter, we will write 100 centimeters. We have to find AD. Cross multiply it. 75 into 100 equals to 125 into AD. 75 into 100 by 125 equals to AD. 25 4s are 25 5s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 15 into 4 60 centimeters is the length of AD. So, which is the correct option? Option A is our correct option. Next one. Figure is given. In this triangle, angle ADE, this is angle ADE, this angle is equals to angle B This is angle B. Both these angles are equal. AD is given 3.8 centimeters. AE is 3.6 centimeters. BE is 2.1 centimeters and BC is 4.2 centimeters. We have to find the length of DE. 4 options are given. Now, this is our triangle ABC. This is B, this is E. This angle and this angle are equal. This is given. Now, if we take this triangle AED and ABC and triangle ABC or triangle AED or ADE. This angle ADE is equals to angle B. So we can write angle B. We have taken triangle ABC first. ADE. This angle A is common in this triangle and the whole triangle. Angle A equals to angle A. Now, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle. This angle B is similar to angle B. So, we will write triangle ADE. ADE. D and B are equal. Clear? Now, when both two triangles are similar, their sides are proportionate. So, AB upon AD equals to BC upon DE equals to AC upon AE. Now, we have AB given. AB we have, AD also we have, BC we have to find DE. Take these two. Now, what is AB? AB is AE plus BE, which is 3.6 plus 2.1. This is 5.7. So, we have 5.7 upon. What is AD? 3.8 equals to BC is 4.2 upon DE. Cross multiply. 5.7 into DE equals to 4.2 into 3.8. DE is 4.2 into 3.8 divided by 5.7. Take decimals out. We have 100 in the denominator and 10 in the numerator. 19 3s are 57, 19 2s are 38. 3 1s are 3 4s are. Zeros cancelled. We have 14 into 2, 28 by 10, which is equals to 2.8 centimeters. So, which option is correct? Option C is our correct option. The length of DE is 2. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Let's make our diagram first. In this triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Both these are parallel. AD is 2 centimeters. BD is 2.5 centimeters. AE is 3.2 centimeters and DE is 4 centimeters. We have to find the length of BC, say X. We have to find the length of BC and also AC. For AC, we will first find EC. Now, bache, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So, as per BPT, AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. AD is 2 upon 2.5 equals to 3.2 by EC. Cross multiply. 2 into EC equals to 3.2 into 2.5 and EC will be 3.2 into 2.5 by 2. Take decimals out. We have 10 into 10 in the denominator. Now 2 16s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 4 4s are 16. The value of EC is 4 centimeters. Now, first thing we have to find AC. What will be the length of AC? AC is AE plus EC. AE is 3.2 given and EC is 4 centimeter. So the length of AC is 7.2 centimeters. What we have to find next? BC. Now बच्चे, in this triangle DE is parallel to BC. If we take two triangles ADE and triangle ABC, this triangle ADE is equals to triangle ABC. Why? Both are corresponding angles. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle ADE is equals to angle ABC. Angle ADE is equals to angle ABC. Similarly, angle AED is similar to angle ACB. Angle AED is equals to angle ACB. Both are corresponding angles. And this angle A is common in both the triangles. Angle A equals to angle A. So, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AAA criteria. We can do this by AA criteria also. Now, when both these triangles are similar, so AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC equals to DE upon BC. Now, we have AD also and AB also we have. Let's take AD upon AB and DE upon BC. AD is 2 upon AB is AD plus BD 4.5 equals to DE we have 4 and BC we have taken BC as X. We have to find the value of X, cross multiply. 2X equals to 4 into 4.5 and X is 4 into 4.5 by 2. 2 2s are, X is 9 centimeters. Now the value of BC is 9 centimeters and AC is 7.2. So, which is the correct option? Option A is our correct option. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We have triangle ABC where DE is parallel to BC. AD is given 1.7 centimeters. AB is 6.8. This hole is 6.8 centimeters. AC is 9 centimeters. We have to find AE. Say AE is X. Now, we have AB given 6.8 and AD is 1.7. Now, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So, as per BPT, AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. AD is 1.7. What will be BD or DB? DB is AB minus AD, which is 6.8 minus 1.7. This is 5.1 centimeters equals to, we have taken AE as X. What will be EC? AE plus EC is equals to 9. We have taken AE as X. So what will be the value of EC? 9 minus X. So in place of EC we will write 9 minus X. This is 9 minus X. We have to find X. Cross multiply. 1.7 into 9 minus X equals to X into 5.1. 17 into 9, 153, 15.3 minus 1.7x equals to 5.1x. Take 1.7x on the right hand side. 15.3 equals to 5.1x plus 1.7x. 15.3 equals to 6.8x and x is 15.3 by 6.8. Take decimals out. 153 by 10 into 68. 10 in the numerator. Now 17 fours are and 17 nines are. we have 9 by 4, which is equals to 2.25 centimeters. So which option is correct? Option C is our correct option. Meters of two similar triangles are 25 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. We have two similar triangles. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to 25 centimeters and perimeter of triangle DEF, we have PQR is 15 centimeters. Now, the one side of first triangle, say AB is 9 centimeters. We have to find the corresponding side. We have to find the value of PQ, say x centimeters. We have to find the value of x. Now, perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle PQR equals to AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. Now, perimeter of triangle ABC is 25 by 15 equals to, what is AB? 9. We are taking AB upon PQ. Upon PQ is x. Cross multiply. We have 25 into x equals to 9 into 15 and the value of x is 9 into 15 by 25. We have 5 3s are 5 5s are 27 by 5. 5 5s are 25.4 centimeters is the length of PQ. So option B is our correct option. A vertical stick which is 15 centimeter long cast a 12 centimeter long shadow. This is our stick which is 15 centimeter in length. This stick casts a shadow. If I am standing like this, my shadow will come in this place. This is the shadow which is 12 centimeters. At the same time, we have a vertical tower. This is a tower which casts a shadow of 50 meter on the ground. This is ground and this is the shadow on the ground. We have to find the height of the tower. Say height of the tower be h. We have to find the value of h. Let AB is the stick and AC is the shadow of the stick. Let DE is the length of tower and DF is the shadow of tower. Join B to C and E to F. We have two triangles, triangle BAC and EDF. In these triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, this angle is 90. We assume that stick is standing at right angle. Tower is also standing upright at 90 degree. So angle A equals to angle D, 90 degree. This angle B is equals to angle E. The rays of sun are same on both the stick and the tower. Angle B equals to, the rays are falling at with the same angle. Angle of elevation of sun. Now, two angles are equal. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA criteria. If two triangles are similar, their sides are proportionate. So, AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Now, AB we have and AC also we have. Let's take AB upon DE and AC upon DF. We have AB 15 by DE is H equals to AC is 12 and DF is 50. We have to find the value of H, cross multiply. 50 into 15 equals to 12 into H, and H is 50 into 15 by 12. We have 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 25s are. So height is 25 into 5, 125 by 2. Height is 125 by 2, which is 62.5 meters. Height of tower is in meters because shadow is also in meters. So option B is our correct option.